Positive feedback on eBay is essential to make sure your customers feel safe buying from your store, but not all buyers take the time to leave feedback. To help solve this, one of the things you can do is use a tool like 3D Sellers to send a reminder to buyers that haven't left a feedback yet. It will also help prevent negative feedback by catching any problems the customer encountered before they decide to leave a negative feedback. On 3D Sellers, we even have pre-made feedback reminder messages for you to use to help save you time. 3D Sellers is currently offering a 7-day free trial which you can use to try this feature. There's a link to the trial at the top of the description. After you sign up for a 3D Sellers account, you will need to link your eBay account. You can do this by going to the bottom left corner of the screen, clicking on your profile, then clicking on integrations. On this screen, you can link your eBay account and any other accounts that you use for your online business. Once the eBay account is linked, head on over to the marketing tab on the left side menu. From here, click on reminder settings under the feedback reminder menu. On this page, you will see a variety of options to customize your feedback reminder. You can choose to just send one reminder in case multiple items were purchased. Choose to send a reminder after a set amount of time. Choose to send the reminder only during certain times of the day, and only send a reminder for future purchases or past and future purchases. In the message box, you can customize the message or customize a different template by clicking Get Free Message Templates. The default message includes a direct link for your buyer to leave feedback to make it as easy as possible for the buyer. Once you are happy with the message and settings, you can toggle the switch at the top of the page to on. Your buyers will now receive a feedback reminder according to the settings you have chosen. If you have any issues at all, feel free to contact us by clicking on Get Help on the bottom left corner of the screen and selecting Contact Us. You can also check out our help articles for other topics. Thank you for watching.